What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Solution Junkie. In today's video, I'll guide you through deleting your Bumble account. To delete your Bumble account, first you have to have the Bumble app on your phone. Make sure you downloaded it on App Store or Play Store. Once downloaded, open the Bumble mobile app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top bottom left of your screen to access your profile. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to go to your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the Delete Account section. Tap on it. Now you'll be presented with options for why you're deleting your account, such as found in a relationship, billing issues, dissatisfied with service, or other. Choose your appropriate option, and then finally, click on Delete Account to confirm. Sometimes Bumble will ask you to type delete, and you just have to type it in, and you're done. That's it. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.